Hello, I'm Kelly Wilson, and I'm a registered dietitian and certified lifestyle medicine practitioner at Trinity Health Ann Arbor. Lifestyle medicine is a medical subspecialty that uses evidence-based information in 6 key pillars to treat, reverse, and prevent chronic illness and promote whole person health. Nutrition, specifically a whole food, plant-forward dietary pattern, is a critical component of lifestyle medicine. Our team gets a lot of questions about easy recipes when cooking for 1 or 2 people, so I wanted to share some of my favorite easy breakfast recipes to help you get started. This is a 2-part response, so be sure to look for the second video on quick lunch and dinner ideas. Our first recipe is chia seed pudding. I love chia seeds because they are full of fiber and calcium, critical nutrients that we need as we get older, and they can help us maintain hydration. You can find them at most grocery stores in the natural food section, bulk bin, or baking aisle. This recipe also incorporates berries, which have powerful antioxidants that support cognitive health. For this recipe, you need a bowl, 1 to 2 cups frozen berries that have been thawed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 cups of non-dairy milk, I'm using oat milk today, and optional, 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. I usually start by defrosting the berries in my bowl so I can incorporate their juices into the mixture. If I'm using big berries, like today, I mash them up into slightly smaller pieces. Next, add your remaining ingredients. And stir. Cover and put in the fridge. Let the mixture sit for at least an hour or overnight. After sitting, it'll be a thick pudding-like consistency. If it's too thick for your preferences, add more liquid. And if it's too thin, add a bit more chia seeds. This recipe keeps in the fridge for about 5 days and can easily be scaled up or down depending on how many servings you want to make. Our next recipe is quick and easy overnight oats. To make this recipe, start with a clean container that has a lid. I like using glass jars like this, but any container with a lid will do. Start by adding 1/2 a banana to your jar. And gently mashing with a fork or spoon. You could also add fresh berries or other fruit here, and then skip the mashing. Add in 1/2 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Oops. It's okay if you make messes. We're using these because they're a whole grain and high in fiber. Fiber supports regular bowel movements, helps us stay full longer, and can help us manage our blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of walnuts. You could also swap in hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, or your favorite nut butter here. Add in 3/4 cup non-dairy milk. We're using oat milk. And then to add a little sweetness, a pinch of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of maple syrup. Stir to combine. Cover and set in the fridge overnight. And voila, you have instant breakfast in the morning. We hope this helps give you some ideas for fast, easy, tasty meals you can start adding to your day. Happy eating. For more information about Trinity Health Ann Arbor's lifestyle medicine programs, please visit trinityhealthmi.org/THAA lifestyle medicine.